Trading teaches you discipline the hard way. If you can't control your emotions and stick to your trading plan, then mark my words, the market will chew you up and spit you out. It doesn't care about your dreams or your excuses. It only respects those who have the courage to confront its challenges and come out on top. Toughen up and show the market who's boss. Remember, in this unforgiving world of trading, it's adapt or get wrecked. The choice is yours.
And once again, I'd like to greet you guys at the top of the morning and welcome back to another episode of WealthWiseGuru. And I'm your host, John Chav. Looks like we're starting out this morning. It's going to be $500, down $500. And we are an hour just on the other side of the opening of the bell. We are trading at this morning $20,241.56 with a buying power of 184.12. And I'm assuming that the market is down this morning due to not much trading going on this week. In lieu of coming up the up and coming holiday, the 4th of July. So it's not going to really be much trading as it usually be. But still, let's get into the morning brief and see if we get information. Investor segment is mixed as market reacts to political tensions, corporate earnings, and trade negotiation. The market are experiencing volatility driven by several key themes. First, President Trump proposed tax and spending bill is causing uncertainties, particularly as he has threatened to review government subsidies for companies like Tesla, which is facing declining sales in Europe. This has led to a nearly 5% drop in Tesla stocks. Meanwhile, Wolf Speed unexpected rise in stock price after filing for Chapter 11 bankruptcy highlights the unpredictable nature of the semiconductor sector. On a more positive note, Robinhood stock has surged due to optimism surrounding its crypto offering, reflecting a growing interest in fintech. Overall interest in fintech. Sectors like technology are under pressure, while fintechs shows resilience. And we have the up and coming events on. As you know, we are in a new month, so we have the up and coming events on 7/09. You got the tariff deadline approaching. This looming deadline for tariffs could significantly impact market volatility, as investors are concerned about potential economic fallout from renewed trade tensions. 7:15, you have the earnings report begins. This starts the earnings season, and it will be crucial for assessing corporate health and market variation with expectation for growth in growth amid the rising interest rates. And 901, you got the Federal Reserve meeting. The Fed's up and coming meeting is slightly anticipated as investors are eager to hear about potential interest rate cuts that could influence market dynamics. Tesla faces stocks declines amid political tensions. Tesla stock is under pressure due to President Trump threats to withdraw government subsidies and declining sales in Europe. This situation raises concerns about the company's future performance in investor segments. Man, they need to really get themselves together, man, when it comes to this stock, man. That was a big mistake, what Musk did in trying to join the Trump administration. He should have just stayed in one sector and just stayed out of the political arena. Most CEOs, presidents of companies do not cross those lines, and for some reason or another, Elon Musk did that, and he caused a lot of pain for this company. That's a great company. That's a really terrific company. And not only are they into the manufacturing of the EV automobiles, but you got SpaceX. Then you have the robots. You got the autonomous vehicles, and you got the I think the autonomous vehicle just rolled out. Robo-taxis, they just rolled out in Austin a couple of weeks ago. So this company has plus he owns formerly Twitter. So this guy got a lot of good stuff going on. I'm still 100% behind and supporting him as he tried to get this company back up on its feet. Wolf Speed filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection. Wolf Speed has filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection. Yet surprising shows a rise in pre-market trading. This development highlights the volatility and unpredictability in the semiconductor sector. Robinhood optimism about AI and crypto impact. Robinhood stock rose as the company expressed a positive outlook on the long-term effect of AI and cryptocurrency on its business. This optimism could influence investor confidence in the fintech sector. And so that's going to do it for your morning brief. So as we now know why the market is down today, and it's continually to fall. And so this should be a time again to where you need to be buying stocks and loading up on your stocks. Cause this is just one of those things that happens, and if you go along with it, and you decide you want to get out of it because all the volatility in the market, it's going up one day and down the next day and across the next day, and then you are destroying your future wealth building. like I always tell you guys, when we come to building wealth, it's not an overnight thing, but it's a constant and consistent thing. And I have been in the market myself over 10 years. I started in my early 50s, and now I'm in my early 60s, and I'm moving towards my middle 60s, and I'm still still investing. So when it's down one day and the next day, I don't let that bother me. That's just the way the market operates. And you got a lot of people with money, and that's rich, are into the market, and they can control the market. They can sway the market to go back and forth, to and fro, wherever they want to do. And a little small person like myself, I don't have that kind of clout, because I don't have that kind of money. But I'm trying to build it. And these people do stuff, go back and forth, and all this old political tensions, they go back and forth to keep you out of the market. Because this thing is designed to where you make money, but it doesn't happen overnight. It's designed to where it's continually to grow and build. But it's going to have some bumps and rocky roads on the way, where it's going to be going up and down, what you should be doing, just constantly investing and not really looking and examining your portfolio every day as it does this. If you do, then you're going to be swayed where you want to probably get out of it. But that's why I come on here every day and make these videos. It affects me too some kind of way, but I'm probably a bit more disciplined than a lot of y'all are. So I make these videos to come on here and to encourage you guys to continually to invest in the market. Right now, I have what you've seen on the screen is the options, and I got quite a few options today in the green. Got two still in the red, but I got quite a few in the green. And it seems when the regular equities are down, my option seems to go up. Let's look at the overall stock. Overall stock this morning is down $1,700. Still, I have a net worth of $73,962. This is my realized stock so far, is up by 1.28%. Currently have 214 holdings in my portfolio. Look at Tesla here. Tesla is down by $16.05. Well, currently have 2.59 shares of Tesla. Market value of $782. This morning is negative 42.75. So the day is a significantly different day than it was on yesterday. Meta Facebook is down. Boeing is down. Google is down. Google is down $1.52. 54 now. It's trading at 174.68. I currently have 100 shares of it with a market value of $17,500 some. It's negative today, $149. But the total return on is 14.05. And so, man, if I was to close my portfolio and get out, I would owe a whole lot of taxes. Meta Facebook is down $12.02. Actually trading at $726.26. 1.3 shares from market value of $1,000. The day's return is negative $16. Amazon is down this morning 34 cents. Trading at $2.19. Currently have 4.89 shares with a market value of $1,072. And see, if you was to say you want to get out of this, take some money out of this today, and it's down like this, see, you would lock in these losses. So you never want to do that. You never want to take any money out of a share if it's down. You wait till it's green, and then if you need money or take profit from it, and then you can do so. Just like say McDonald's here. Say if you have 500 shares of it and you want to take some money out of it, and it's green like it is today, then you could take money out of this and know that you are in the green. And the green means that you are in the profit. And so then you won't be hurting your portfolio. So you never take money out of a stock or a share that's in the red. See, Amazon is down by 29 cents. So these are numbers that they are down by. It's not really big numbers. They just be down just about a little bit. This is trading at $219.18. I have 4.89 shares of it with a market value still $1,072. So it can start out this morning negative this morning, and see, I still make $1,073 off the stock even though it's down. So that still ain't hurting me. And that's why I have such a well-diversified portfolio. A lot of folks say you should maybe have 3 to 6 shares in your portfolio, but I have over 200 some shares in my portfolio, and probably in the nearby future I'll be buying some more. I like to keep a well-diversified portfolio, so when stuff like this happens, I don't lose a whole lot of money. It's down a little bit, but still I'm able to withstand its hits. Netflix is down still over $1,000 a share. Still $13.12 down by $26.89. 0.65. So I can't even afford a whole share of this. And it's market value of $8.58. Let's see. I was gonna buy some of this, but that's a little bit now. I'm even waiting to see what Nvidia is doing. You can't go wrong with buying Netflix, because Netflix, even though you purchase Netflix with fractional shares, you still make money off of Netflix, because it's just such a high value stock. Microsoft is down this morning by $1.13. It's trading at $4.96. I have 1,098 market value of $5.45. SPY down. SPY 500 is down this morning, trading at $1.62. Currently, it's trading at $616, down by $1.62.59. Got a penny dividend coming up on the end of the month. Again, dividend pays what they pays you for hanging on, keeping that stock in your portfolio and not selling it. I know $1,000-some if I were to sell it. A lot of people would jump on that, man. I'm gonna put this $1,000 in my pocket. The day return on is $2.33, negative $2. Total 73.55 or 73.52. Berkshire Hathaway is up this morning. It's another terrific company. Trading at 487.32. It's up this morning by $1.54. I had 1.04 shares with a market value of $509. So if you want to go take a trip or anything like that, and you need $500, this is where you would get it from. A company or share that's up in value. That way it doesn't hurt. And so you just hit trade, and then you hit sell, and this, if I was to sell all of this, it will have a market value of $487. And by me having a margin account, if I sold $487, then they're gonna match it. They're gonna match it with additional $487. So I could take that make it over $800. So I can actually take $400 out and then put $400 back in. Inviditor here is down this morning, trading at 153.23, down by $4.74. Still have a penny dividend 104. I have 103 shares of it with a market value of $15,000. So far today is negative 500. It's up $2,560. So if I wanted to, I could sell all that and put 15,000 or 16,000 in my pocket. But we're trying to build generational wealth. Now you got 50,000, 30,000, 50,000, 60,000, 7,000, 100,000. You want to take some profit? Hey, by all means, do so. You can do that. But right now, I still think my portfolio is still too low to be talking about not taking profit like that. Let's see, Pioneer's down this morning, down about $6.96, trading at 129.26. I currently have 169 shares with a market value of $21,869. Yesterday is up like thousands of dollars, and now today is totally opposite. It's down now by thousands of dollars. So all the gain and profit I made yesterday now is starting out in the loss column this morning. But of course, this is a new month as well. This is 38.61% of my portfolio. So far, I made $2,700 off of it. It's one of my top and best companies besides Nvidia and Google, and let's see, Google, Nvidia, Pioneer. Then you have the other ones that I own, or like Facebook, Amazon, or SPY 500, anything I see that has $1,000 or more. Any kind of stock that you have, you can build up to $1,000 or more. If you can build up to 1,000, you can build up to 2,000. As long as you don't keep just taking money out of it. And if you can build up 2,000, you can go to 3,000. And if you can go to 3,000, you can go to 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, and 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, 10,000. Just depends on you how consistent you are in investing in the stock market. And if you got a couple of companies that you got over $10,000 in, then next thing you know, you got a portfolio it's looking like my portfolio, which is my portfolio right now, has a value on it of $73,000, and actually it's more than that, because I have some. I have a big. I have a big return on a purchase that I didn't go through with, and they just haven't given me back my money yet. So actually, when they give me back my money, then my portfolio is probably going to be at probably 81, or $82,000. And so yeah, but you gotta be careful when you come to making two big purchases, especially online. And you only want to make big purchases online with companies that you are familiar with, and let them be a big name brand company. If it's not a big name, if it's not a big name brand company, then do not make these big purchases online. You do better just going there in person. That way you know it's a legitimate company. Yeah, you got a whole lot of people out there be after your money, and you got a lot of these companies out here too. Also, that they're a company. That don't mean they legit. You know, they up and up, because they can be just as crooked as an individual. And I don't think a lot of them think about is their bottom line, and they make their money by taking yours. So yeah, you have to be careful with the clowns like that. And I'm having to deal with one like that myself. A car company that I purchased. I tried to purchase a Corvette for them, and the deal didn't go through, but for some reason or another, these clowns has not returned my down payment. But I'm having to go through my banking system to get my down payment back, and in doing so, it takes up to 90 days. You know, it didn't take 90 days for me to get in my down payment, but they want to take 90 days to give me back my money. You go figure. Well, that's going to do it for today's video. Didn't mean to go off on a rant like that, but as we approach the holidays, you know, the stock's going to be down. But you need to continue to buy and purchase, because it's going to be a time when you need to continue to purchase stocks. Don't let it get you down just because stock is down today. Just because it's down today doesn't mean it's going to be down tomorrow or even next week. You want to just hold on to it and continue to grow your portfolio. And if nothing else significant happens today, then I would see you guys again on Wednesday morning at the opening of the bell. Until then, may all your trades be a good one. Have a good and blessed day. Be safe out there as you travel to and fro, work, school, or what have you. And as we all prepare for the nation birthday. Be blessed, and we'll see you guys again on Wednesday morning at the opening of the bell. And again, we thank you for watching.
Power is in the tongue. Stop saying you're tired, broke, or depressed. Instead, declare that you're energized, abundant, and filled with joy. Start expressing gratitude daily, manifesting multiple streams of income, and speaking life into yourself. Replace negativity with affirmations like, I am strong, I am thriving, I attract success, and I am at peace. Shift your mindset from scarcity to abundance. The words you speak shape your reality, so choose them wisely. Speak as if you've already achieved your dreams, and watch how your life transforms.